Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. This one has me speechless. Like, I don't know where to begin on this one. So this is a Boulevard that we're doing a wire rescue on, upgrading the amplifiers, but this thing is a mess. First problem is it's a custom saddlebag, but it hits when you try and open the lid, so we can't even fix the hinge, or else the lid won't close anymore. So it's a whole bunch of spaghetti we got to fix in here. Oh, look at that. I guess that wasn't tight. Distribution blocks glued down to the amplifier. Amp's not mounted down. We got a lot of fixing to do in such a short amount of time. Look at the disaster under the seat. LED controller. Hate it when they do that. It's a single fuse holder, but yet they jam two 4-gauge wires into it. Not the right way to do it. 100 different connectors on the battery terminal. You know how I feel about that. And you know it's not wired properly because that's a 200 amp fuse. So we have a 1200 and two 800s. So if they were drawing the proper amount of current, that fuse would have blew. This is the disaster. It's in the opposite bag. So they fuse this connection coming off the battery, but then this one that goes directly to the amp completely bypasses the fuse and goes directly into the amplifier unprotected. What Solo's got out so far. It's looking better already.